Hi children, welcome to maths classes. Children, today let's discuss subtraction of integers. You all know how to add integers. Now we will see how to subtract two integers. See the definition, children. Subtraction of an integer from another integer is just adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted to the other number. So, the key word here you see is additive inverse. Children, what is additive inverse? We discussed about additive inverse in detail in another video. Let's see what is additive inverse in simple terms. What is additive inverse of 5, children? Additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Additive inverse is nothing but changing the sign of the number. You get the additive inverse of that number. Why is this? 5 plus minus 5. When you add minus 5 to 5, you get 0. So, minus 5 is the additive inverse of plus 5. What is the additive inverse of minus 10? It is nothing but changing the sign. Here negative sign is there. So, when you do additive inverse, you get plus 10. See, minus 10. What number you should add to minus 10 such that you get result as 0? Which number do you add, children? Yes, plus 10. When you add plus 10 to minus 10, you get 0. So, plus 10 is the additive inverse of minus 10. This additive inverse concept is very important in doing subtraction of integers. Now, let us do subtraction of integers. Observe the definition carefully. Consider an example. Understand the definition using an example. 5 minus 3. So, here they are asking to subtract 3 from 5. Now, how do you do subtraction? Subtraction of an integer from another integer is adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. You should just remember you are adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. What is the number that is being subtracted? 5 minus 3. That means 3 is subtracted from 5. From 5 you are subtracting 3. So, 3 is the number that is being subtracted. 6 minus 4. Here we are subtracting 4 from 6. That is 4 is the number that is being subtracted. So, subtraction is nothing but adding addition. Adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. So, subtraction is nothing but adding. So, you write plus symbol. What do you add here? You add additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. What is the number that is being subtracted? 3. So, you add additive inverse of 3 to 5 to the other number. What is the other number? Is 5. So, to the number that is being subtracted, that is 3, for the additive inverse of this 3, you add the other number 5. What you get? 5 plus what is additive inverse of plus 3? It is minus 3. Now you know how to do addition. It is simple. Here it is plus, that is positive number, negative number. Both signs are different. So you do subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. And now you check the sign of the greater number. In 5 and 3, 5 is greater. What is the sign of 5? It is plus. So we get plus 2. 5 minus 3 is plus 2. So children, the important thing is in subtraction, you add additive inverse of number that is being subtracted. So here let's see another example. 6 minus 4. What is the number that is being subtracted? 4. So you add additive inverse of 4 to the other number 6. Write 6 as it is, and to this 6 they are saying to add additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. They are saying to add. So plus, what should you add? Additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. Additive inverse of what is the number being subtracted here? 4. So, you should add additive inverse of 4. 6 plus what is additive inverse of 4? It is minus 4. What is 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4, here it is positive sign, here negative sign. Both signs are different, so you do subtraction. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 plus minus 4 is 2, and the sign of greater number is plus. So you get the result as plus 2. So children, subtraction of integers is very easy. In subtraction of integers, you add additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted to the other number. You first find what is the number that is being subtracted. Here in this example, 6 minus 4, 4 is being subtracted from 6. So you add additive inverse of 4 to 6. 6 plus additive inverse of 4. 6 plus minus 4 is plus 2. Let's see another example. Four minus of minus 1. So they are asking to subtract minus 1 from 4. This is not equal to 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is different, children, and 4 minus of minus 1 is different. Here we are subtracting minus 1 from 4. Here we are subtracting plus 1 from 4. So remember this, children. 4 minus of minus 1 is different from 4 minus 1. Okay. Here we are subtracting minus 1 from 4. Here we are subtracting plus 1 from 4. So observe the question properly. Now let's solve this. How to do subtraction? They are asking to subtract minus 1 from 4. How do you do this? First, what did they say? Subtraction is nothing but addition, they said. So, subtraction is nothing but addition. What should you add? You should add to the other number. What is the other number? 4. To this, you should add additive inverse of number that is being subtracted. What is the number that is being subtracted here? See, 4 minus minus 1. 4 minus of minus 1. That means minus 1 is being subtracted from 4. So, here you should add additive inverse of minus 1. So, you should add, in the second step you should write additive inverse of minus 1. 4 plus additive inverse of minus 1. What do you get? 4 plus. What is additive inverse of minus 1? Additive inverse is nothing but changing the symbol. You get additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is, signs are same. Both number signs are same. Plus 4 plus 1. So you will just add 5. What is the common sign for these two numbers? Plus. So the answer you get is plus 5. So children, subtraction is nothing but adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted to the other number. What is the number that is being subtracted here? Minus 1. Minus 1 is being subtracted from 4. So write 4 as it is, and you should add. So subtraction symbol will change to addition symbol. Then you add what? Additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. Here minus 1 is being subtracted. So you will add additive inverse of minus 1. What is additive inverse of minus 1? It is plus 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5.
Children, so subtraction means adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. So you all understood this. Subtraction is nothing but what you are adding? You are adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. See, it is given as 6 minus 2. So, in these two numbers 6 and 2, what is that? What is the number that is being subtracted? Which number are you subtracting? Yes, you are subtracting 2 from 6. So, subtraction is nothing but adding that element. So, it is nothing but adding what? Additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. What is the number that is being subtracted? 2. So, you write 2. So, it became 6 plus what is the additive inverse of 2? It is minus 2. 6 plus minus 2. You all know what is 6 plus minus 2. One number is positive, another number is negative. So, you do subtraction. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. The larger number is 6. So, the sign is positive. The answer is plus 4. So let's see this step by step, children. These are the steps you should follow when you are doing subtraction. First step is write the first number as it is. What is the first step? You should write the first number as it is. In subtraction, there will be two numbers. Okay, write the first number as it is. Change the minus symbol to plus. Why are we changing, children, minus to plus? See here. In the definition, it is nothing but adding. Subtraction is nothing but adding additive units. So, we will change this minus symbol to plus. As it is written as adding, we are changing minus symbol to plus. What is the third step? Write the additive inverse of the second number. Second number is nothing but what? The number that is being subtracted. So, here adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. So, in the third step, we write additive inverse of the second number. And the fourth step, add the integers. In these three steps, if you observe, we are writing the first number as it is. Then we are changing minus to plus. So, the subtraction is changing to addition now. And then what are you adding? You are adding the additive inverse of the second number. Let us understand and follow the steps now in solving the problem. Let's solve one problem now. First problem is 4 minus 1. So the question given is 4 minus 1. What is the first step? Write the first number as it is. So first step is you will write the first number as it is. Then what did they say? Change minus to plus. What? Why are we doing this? As we need to add. In subtraction of integers, we will add additive inverse. So we will change minus symbol to plus. This minus symbol is changed to plus now. Okay. Now subtraction has been changed to addition. Third step. What is the third step? Write the additive inverse of the second number. What is the second number? Second number is nothing but number that is being subtracted. See, 4 minus 1. That means 1 is subtracted from 4. We should write additive inverse of second number. Additive inverse of second number is 1. So, first step, write the first number as it is. First number is 4. We write it as it is. Then change minus to plus. We are changing minus to plus. Then the subtraction will change to addition. Third step, write the additive inverse of second number. That is the number being subtracted. Second number is 1. So, we will write additive inverse of 1. Then, what do? Do addition. It is nothing but addition, no children. 4 plus. What is additive inverse of 1? How do you find the additive inverse of any number? Yes, we will just change the sign of the number. Additive inverse of 1. So, we will change it to minus 1. Here the number is positive number. So, it will get changed to negative number. Third step is just solve. 4 plus minus 1. What is 4 plus minus 1? One number is positive, one number is negative. When signs are different, you do subtraction. How do you subtract? You subtract the smaller number from larger number. 4 minus 1. You got 3 as the answer. Then you will check the sign of the larger number. In 4 and 1, which is the larger number? 4 is larger. It is positive. So, the answer is plus 3. So, first step is write the first number as it is. Then change the sign of minus to plus. Then write the additive inverse of the second number. Second number is 1. Additive inverse of 1. It will change into 4 plus minus 1. Minus 1 by additive inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. Now you know to solve addition. 4 plus minus 1 is 4 minus 1. That is 3. The answer is 3. Let's solve another problem now. The question given is subtract minus 3 from minus 4. What did they tell children? Subtract minus 3 from minus 4. So, observe the question properly. How do you change into a number in the format? Here it is given as subtract minus 3 from minus 4. We should represent it, right? How do you represent in mathematical form? The question. Subtract minus 3. What are you subtracting? Minus 3 from what? Minus 4. From minus 4, you are subtracting minus 3. So, the first number is minus 4. From minus 4, what are you subtracting? Subtraction symbol. So you write as minus. From minus 4, subtract minus 3 from minus 4. From minus 4, you should subtract minus 3. So, the question is changed like this now. When we represent in the mathematical form, the question is changed as minus 4 minus of minus 3. So, observe, we are doing subtraction here. When we are doing subtraction, we should follow these 4 steps. So, by the first step, we know that write the first number as it is. We are doing subtraction, so we will follow these 4 steps. First step is write the first number as it is. First number is minus 4. We write minus 4 as it is. Then change minus to plus. So, the symbol here, we are doing subtraction, so the symbol is minus. In the second step, we change minus to plus. What is the third step, children? Write the additive inverse of the second number. Second number is nothing but the number being subtracted. Here minus 3 is subtracted from minus 4. We should write additive inverse of the second number. Additive inverse of minus 3. So 3 steps are completed. We wrote the first number as it is. We changed minus to plus. Then write the additive inverse of second number. Additive inverse of minus 3. Now, what will happen now? Minus 4 is as it is. Then plus what is additive inverse of minus 3? Yes, additive inverse is nothing but changing the symbol of the number given. Here additive inverse of minus 3 is minus negative. It will become plus 3. So you got minus 4 plus 3. See, one number is negative, one number is positive. So you all know that how to do. If signs are different, you will do subtraction. Neglect the symbols and do subtraction. How do you subtract? You always subtract small number from large number. Small number is 3. So you subtract 3 from 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. We got 1. Then how do you do addition in the next step? Which is the larger number from 4 and 3? 4 and 3, which is the larger number, children? 4 is larger. What is the symbol of 4? Minus. So you get result as minus 1. So these are the steps you follow when you do subtraction, children. Children, we all know how to add numbers on a number line. Now let's see how to subtract numbers using a number line. The question is minus 4 minus of minus 4. That means we should subtract minus 4 from minus 5. What do you do here? We should subtract minus 4 from minus 5. Now we will solve this problem using a number line. We all know, children, what is subtraction is nothing but adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. So we all know how to do this step by step. In the first step, we will write first number as it is. Then in the second step, we will change this minus to plus. Next, what do? You do additive inverse of the second number. Additive inverse of second number is minus 4. What do you get here? Minus 5 plus what is additive inverse of minus 4? Yes, minus, it is negative. So the additive inverse will be plus 4. So till this step you do as it is. Okay, normally without using number line you do the same steps to solve subtraction. Here also to solve the subtraction you follow the same steps. First write the first number as it is. Then change minus to plus. Then change, the second number. How do you change the second number? You will write the additive inverse of the second number. Second number is nothing but the number being subtracted. Additive inverse of minus 4. It became minus 5 plus additive inverse of minus 4 is plus 4. Now use the number line to solve this. So, how do you add? Yes, you all know it is nothing but addition of numbers using number line. You all know to draw number line. Draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3. Positive numbers on the right side. Negative numbers on the left side. First, mark the first number, minus 5. Minus 5 is negative number, so it is left side of 0. We mark minus 5. Then what should you add? Plus 4. So we are adding positive number. Tell children, if you are adding positive number, how do you move on the number line? Do you move left side from the first number or right side from the first number? Yes, children, correct. You are adding positive number, so you move right side. -5 is here. Then move how many steps right side, children? You are adding 4. So, you will move 4 steps right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reached -1. So, the answer is -4 plus 4 is -1. So, this is the way you should solve using a number line. First, -5 minus of -4. That is, we are subtracting -4 from -5. The first step, you write the first number as it is. Then change the subtraction symbol to addition symbol. Then write the additive inverse of second number. Second number is -4. This is the number that is being subtracted. Then -5 plus additive inverse of -4 is +4. Till here it is common. Whether you use a number line or not, it is common. These two steps are common. Now, use a number line to find the result. -5, locate it on the number line. Then, what you are adding? +4. You are adding a positive number here. For -5, you are adding a positive number. When you are adding positive number, yes, you move right side. Here we are adding 4, so you move 4 steps right side. -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps you move right side. Then you got -1. The result is -1. Let's see another problem. -8 minus of -10. That is, you are subtracting -10 from -8. See children. How do you do? Yes, write the first number as it is. First number is -8. Write -8 as it is. Then change the subtraction symbol to addition symbol. Then what is the number being subtracted? It is second number. -10. Write the additive inverse of -10. -10 is the second number. How? -8 plus, what is additive inverse of -10? It is negative number. Additive inverse means symbol will get changed. So it will become +10. -8 plus 10. Now use a number line to solve the problem. First locate the first number on the number line. Where is -8? It is negative number. That means it will be left side of 0. Left side of 0 is here. -8 is here. From -8, what are you adding? You are adding 10. Plus 10 you are adding. So you move, yes, correct, right side. You move right side from -8. How many steps do you move right side? You are adding +10. So you move 10 steps right side. From -8, move 10 steps right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, children, you reach 2. So the answer is 2 plus 2. So this is the way you should do when you are using a number line to do subtraction. First, you write the first number as it is. Then subtraction will be changed to addition. Then write the additive inverse of the second number. Then it will become -5 plus +4. Now use a number line to solve the addition from here. This is the way you should do subtraction, children. Subtraction is very easy, children. Subtraction is nothing but addition of additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. You should just remember this simple definition. Subtraction is adding additive inverse of the number that is being subtracted. Then follow the simple steps we use to solve the problem. Thank you, children.
Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe.